So I've been home for, it's Saturday. I've been home for like 3 days now. Anyways, we're getting ready to, well, not getting ready, we're going out. But I think this is probably the only ooh, why is it on there? Anyways, yeah, I think this is probably the only footage that I'm going to be getting for tonight. I doubt I'm going to be vlogging at the party, so I just wanted to show you guys my little outfit. So yeah, I'm just wearing this dress. Oh, yeah. Let me fix myself. Ooh, I look so shapely. Yes. Anyways, I'm wearing this dress. My boobs are not this big, I promise. It's padded. Okay. Yeah, my bum is too big, so it won't stay down flat back here. But that's okay, it's whatever. My bum looks so humongous. And so does my belly. And this mirror is dirty. But yeah, this is the dress. Thumbs up if you think I look cute. And I'm wearing it with these shoes. Yeah. Right now I just have on my slippers. And I got my nails done today as well. Up. I love the color. Yeah, it kind of looks like the same color that I had before. Like it almost looks like the color on my toes. Kind of. But it's not the same color that I just had in Jamaica, I promise. It's so much lighter. You guys will probably see it better. See, it's like lighter. But anyways, it's OPI is What Am I Am Amethyst. Pretty. And then I had ordered, me and Sade love Tati's transparent clutch, so we ordered one. Sade got hers before she left. I got mine while I was away. But this is my little accessory bag for today, my little clear clutch. I wasn't gonna wear this till my birthday, but that's okay. I can always wear it again. It's my month, so yeah, so that's what I'm doing. We're going out, so yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys again. Bye. Guys, oh wait, hi guys. Hi. I think I'm gonna be adding this into like what has been going on since I got back thing that I'm gonna be doing, or this will probably be a part of my birthday sequel. I don't know, but it's January 28th, 3 days until my birthday, and I'm on my way right now to go meet a subscriber, like, you know, like a subscriber who turned into a friend. Her name is Marie, and she bakes, and she I had like a Q&A on Snap the other day, and I can't remember exactly what it was that she asked me, but something came up about a cake, and she decided to bake a cake for me for my birthday. So I'm gonna go pick it up and meet her and her daughter, and I got this girl with me or whatever. And then yeah, I'm excited to meet her. I've been talking to her for a long time. She's one of like one of the people on Snapchat that I have, like subscribers that I have a relationship with on Snap. So this will be really cool. I'm really excited to meet her because, like I said, I've been talking to her for a long time, and like we always talk about like cooking and stuff like that, and then I found out that she bakes and stuff, so it's really cool, and her stuff looks really tasty, so I'm really excited to try this cake. I don't even know what kind of cake it is. I'm really excited. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to meeting my subscriber. Oh god. Anyways, you guys, I'm here. I'm gonna go inside now and meet her. I'm not gonna vlog while going in there because I don't know if she wants to be on camera or not, but when I get in, I'll talk to her and see, and then obviously I'll let you guys know how it went. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm so nervous, but I'm so excited at the same time. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know, I love this feeling, but I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm at Walmart with Murphy. I've been talking to her for like literally like months. Yeah, like, best months on months. I love this girl. And she said I'm cute. Yes, and she got me a gift. And she baked my cake. I'm so excited. And this is her daughter.
Don't be shy. I'm nervous myself. This is her daughter. Isn't she pretty? My subscribers are the best. They're cute and everything like that. So yeah, big up yourself, Marie. And if you guys want any pastries or anything like that, holla at me for her contact information. I'll give it to you. I'm excited. I'm excited. Thanks, y'all.
Ooh, see, look, this looks intelligent.
I hope it can last till Tuesday. Cause yeah, just keep it in the fridge. No, I mean with like all the people around me and stuff. My sister's like, oh, you're going to pick up the cake? Like, hurry up and come back. Like, I want to try it. Like, you know? So cute. You actually chocolate. You got Thank you, doll. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm so thankful. Thank you, Marie. You're welcome. Thank you so much. All of the favorites subscribe all about. All right, girl. Well, thank you. You live far from here?
No, it's like 5-7 minutes.
Okay. All right, cut.
Good morning, guys. Today is January the 31st. So you know what that means? It's my birthday. I'm not even gonna lie. I was not excited. Well, come on. Zoe without her birthday, like, what would that be? Like, you know what I'm saying? So I think by the end of today, I should be in better spirits. And then the weekend is 3 days away. So yeah, it should be good. I'm gonna make the best of it. That's all that matters. So yeah, I just literally got up. It's like 5:17 in the morning, and I have not read up my messages yet. Oh my God, I went on Snapchat. I seen messages and pictures in Snap stories, and WhatsApp, the group wrote me, and WhatsApp, the girls wrote me, and babe. So yeah, I didn't read them yet, but I'm gonna include everything in here so you guys get to be a part of the process. The cake that Marie gave me, I'm gonna really show it to you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it today. I'm gonna confirm with her and ask her if it will last till the weekend. And then her gift, I'm gonna open that today too. So yeah, and then I guess I'll take you guys to work. I'll just, you know, show my day and all that good stuff. Even though I'm not gonna really be doing anything today because it is the weekday and I got work. I'm adulting. You know, when you're an adult, birthdays don't count as days off. So yeah, but like I said, I just got up and I'm just about to drink my tea and then watch a movie and take a nap until about 7:30 and then start getting ready for work, and then I'll catch up with you guys then. But it's my birthday. Happy birthday, Zoe. Thank you guys so much for the birthday wishes, all the love and support and everything. Like, y'all make everything worth it. So thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you guys in a little bit. I'm back. So I'm gonna make breakfast, I think. There's so much stuff on my stove right now. I hope you guys can see and you guys don't fall. This is my breakfast this morning, you guys. I'm making some hash browns and 2-boiled egg, and then I'm gonna fry some bacon. I feel like my breath, well, I know my breath stinks. Not necessarily stinks, like I need to brush my teeth because, like, you know, I just woke up or whatever. But I'm gonna open the gift Marie got me because I'm excited to see what she got me. Oh my God. My niece was like, you can't open it.
until your birthday.
I'm like, okay, fine. Some of it dropped out in the car because the bag turned over. But like, I literally closed my eyes and picked them up. All I know is it's something from Bath and Body Works.
So this is the bag that it came in. Woo! Jesus. Okay. First there's a card. The card is so cute. Do you guys see it? Wait. Pull up. Sorry. This is not my real tripod. Okay. There we go. Come on now. Yeah, so it says subscribe, like, subscribe, comment. Zoisha, oh my god! That is so freaking cute. I am obsessed with cards. Like, I love cards. And it's a cute little cupcake. It says, happy birthday, Zoe. Wishing you a happy birthday and a year that's blessed. Keep up your amazing work producing amazing Jamaican Canadian vlogs, Marie. Oh, thank you! Thank you, doll. I will try. I definitely will try. With people like you and your support, I mean, how could I not? So you see, I wasn't lying. It did rip and fall out of the bag. This is how I knew it was Bath and Body Works. There's a ribbon on it. Okay. Ooh. Okay. 1,000 Wishes. A fragrance mist. I got that. And they're cute little, I was just saying I need some like hand lotion for my my purse. This is going in there. Shoo-la-la-la-la-la. And this is the same body lotion. That was the mist, this is the body lotion. And I got a shower gel. What? So, that cute little set. Okay. Oh my god! And it's from Starbucks. I love that it's like, what is this, gold? Rose gold? Well, no, it looks gold to me, but I love that it's, ooh, and I was, it's so funny because right after I left her, I went to a store to pick up some arts and crafts stuff for DIYs, and they had cups like these on sale, and I was looking at them, but they didn't have any that, you know? Thank you, Marie. Oh my god. Yes! And this one should hold the hot beverages. Oh gosh. Yes. I'm so excited about this. And Bombat. Bombat! She got me something with Oprah's name on it. Oprah. Do you know who Oprah is, my nigga? Oprah Cinnamon Chai Flavored Black Tea Blend. Yes, so she got me tea to go in my teacup. That's all. Thank you. I love this. This makes me feel like an adult. Thank you, Marie. And thank you to everyone so far who has sent happy birthday wishes. And all that good stuff. This is so cute. I love this. This was so creative. So creative. Oh, I'm so grateful. Alright. Jesus. The hash browns. Hold on.
Okay, and then you guys, Marie also got me my cake. Well, she made me a cake. I'm gonna just confirm with her, but if she does, I will leave her information below. So if you're in Toronto or the GTA and you're looking for somebody who bakes, I know there's a lot of us out there, but I will shout out, you know, my supporters and stuff like that. So I'll leave her information below again if she allows me to. But this cake, I'm so I'm so excited to try it. But this is what it actually looks like. Yes. The details, like this is some rich chocolate. This ain't no chocolate in a tin and them something. You understand? Like, hear that? Yeah, a real rich dark milk chocolate. Yes, white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate. Oh, me full of chocolate, sir. What? She said she knew I love chocolate, so she made me a chocolate cake. And I've never had a chocolate cake for my birthday because either people were allergic or like, you know, so I could never indulge in a chocolate cake myself. So that's why I think I'm gonna cut it later when I come home. But my sister and them want it, so I'm gonna confirm with her and see if it can last till Sunday when I have my dinner. Because my mom is like, let's just do something for your birthday. Because I just haven't been in the mood. Like, I just haven't been in the mood for a birthday this year. I don't know what it is. I feel like I'm old. now, you know, and like I haven't really reached anywhere. Everyone's like, stop saying that, you know, but I just felt like by the time I was this age, I didn't want to talk about it, how old I am anymore, you know. Before I never used to have a problem, but now it's just like, yeah, I just feel like I'm not where I wanted to be or where I thought I would have been, which is fine because life happens and stuff. So many things happen in life that I didn't think were gonna happen. So, you know, so I'm not gonna be too down on myself and make this all sappy and emotional and shit. It's my motherfucking birthday. So many people did not wake up this morning. So many people did not get to make it to see today. So many people didn't get to make it to see 2017. So many people didn't make it to see their 27th birthday. So I'm freaking grateful. I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful to be able to still celebrate birthdays, have all 10 fingers, 10 toes, 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 1 big old mouth with tongue and teeth to talk. Yeah. And sing and dance and happy birthday and all these things. So I'm hella grateful and I'm excited. Okay, you're done. Because everyone gets to focus on me. And like I don't have to feel any way about it. And like I don't have to feel like I'm being selfish or anything because it's my time. So yeah, January is done, tomorrow's February. Can you believe it? It's already February. 2017 just started. It's already freaking February. Like, anyhow, that's about it for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching so far. And I don't know what the rest of the day will have in store, but I'm gonna fry my bacon now and then start to get ready for work. So I'll see you guys then. Bye. Guys, so I'm at work. It's still my birthday. Don't I look cute? These eyelashes are so old. These are the same ones that I've been wearing from Jamaica. Wait, were these ones I've been wearing from Jamaica? No, they're not. But anyways, I just went through everyone's snaps and like, oh God, like, do you guys understand? I'm loud. Oh my God. Anyways, I'm gonna go and record these messages from Snap and I'll be back. So I want to share the snaps with you guys. Oh my God. Okay, let's start with, it says, happy birthday, baby cakes. Big up yourself on your earth strong. That was to this picture. It's my birthday tomorrow. Thank you. Wait. Okay, next is Tika131. She said, happy birthday, Zoe. I'm gonna send back everybody videos.
She link me on the BBM and watch me like a CVM. She requesting the thing me bench. She no want no many men. She wanna party so me boots her like a supplicant. Shot of the tequila with a spoon of this and a touching. That's the way we ride. Got a million girls on the side. Paparazzi a follow me, the girl them just a follow me. Enjoy yourself, girl. We go party like it's your birthday, like it's your birthday. You're a superstar, you're a superstar. Party like it's your birthday, girl. Your birthday, you're a superstar. Yeah, that's who you are.
No, sir. Come like me now. Go reach the top.
Show off the flat belly with it. Ring. Do ever clean and sexy. Girl, you want go hard. You want make your DJ start. Sing. Enjoy yourself, yeah, mommy. Sexiness, I do it, girl. Move up your body, yeah. You have your place in a link, and I love this. Some girl just a billion. We go
I feel so overwhelmed. Like the amount of messages my ass got today. Okay, hold on. Not nice. Not nice at all. Aw, thank you. She's from Barbados and I told her to send me some sunshine. Yes.
Happy birthday,
Like, it won't stop. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I honestly feel so
question the maxim. She buy a drink and she chill out relaxing. So beautiful and belly flat and it remind me of me flat screen. That's the way we ride. Got a million girls on the side. Paparazzi a follow me, the girl them just a follow me. Enjoy yourself, girl. We go party like it's your birthday. It's your birthday. You're a superstar. You're a superstar. Like it's your birthday. Your birthday. You're a superstar. Yeah, that's who you are. She link me on the BBM and watch me like a CVM. She requesting the thing with bench. She know I know many men. She wanna party so me boots her like a supplement. Shot of the tequila with a spoon of this and a touching. That's the way we ride. Got a million girls on the side. Paparazzi a follow me, the girl them just a follow me. Enjoy yourself, girl. We go party like it's your birthday. Like it's your birthday. You're a superstar. You're a superstar. Party like it's your birthday. Your birthday. You're a superstar. Yeah, that's who you are.
Feel so loved, like, oh my gosh. But anyways, I'm gonna do some work for the people them before I lose my work. So later.